Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove green screen in ShotCut. So as you can see, I have this green screen and it looks very awesome, and I'm gonna add this danger animal in the scene, in this landscape. As you can see, when I add this green screen, so this animal green screen, but I have to remove the green screen. So I'm gonna show you what you have to do. So make sure you subscribe for more editing tutorials and tutorials in general. I love creating tutorials, so make sure you support this YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And now let's dive right into this video without wasting any second, right? So what you have to do, let's grab this video and drag it onto the timeline. So grab it and drag it into the video. Okay, grab it and drag it onto the video, onto the timeline. And here in the timeline, what you have to do is just right click. It should work. You should perfectly. So if you right click here on the output, okay, apparently when I'm zooming in, it's not working. Okay, now what I like to do is just use Control I. It's much faster, but I'm gonna show you now without using the shortcut. So if you task operations, and here make sure you select add video track. So you can also use Control I, add video track, and here we grab the other video. Oh, it just crashed. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I love this. I love this. It's just awesome. Just crashed. Oh my god, that's so awesome. Okay, now I restarted the shortcut. Let's try again. So let's grab this video, the other one, Control I, okay, and grab the other video. And now here, move the cursor right above the video, select the video, that's very important. And now let's go to filters, and here in filters, make sure you click on this button. And now click on this button here in the search bar, write chroma, and make sure you select the simple one, and you just double click. Now it was added automatically to this video with selected. So make sure you select the video, and if you still see some green here, we can see some green here. What you have to do is to go right over here and just increase this distance, this bar, this percentage. And now there's no green, okay, as you can see. And now obviously we don't have the green screen, and yeah, I think that's cool, right? So yeah, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Take care.